in this video, I'm gonna talk more about custom error. So what is that, and what is the difference between the ordinary error? So custom error is aiming to saving up the gas and lowering up the gas within multiples of functions such as require and revert and used global variable combined all together. And without any further ado, you just create the example. As usual, type license and pragma solidity of your version. In this case, of my current versions is 0.8.18. Type contract and then named with custom error. There you go. Open up the curly brace, and then in the previous video we already talked about revert and then require function. I'm gonna give you the sum up of it. Let's just create function and then named it with foo. Open up the parenthesis, filled up the argument with uint I stands for index, public pure. Open up the curly brace and then require. We are going to fill up with underscore I is less than 10, for example, and then I is less than 10. But in this video we are not going to talk about ordinary error, we are going to talk about custom error. For the custom error, you have to create the data types outside of the local variable. For example, I'm gonna create uint public and then I'm sorry we are going to create the data types with error and then named it with, for example, my error, and then open up the parenthesis as an argument, and then we're going to fill up this later, and then type in this. We have to use view because we are going to use this outside of the local variable, and then custom error only used with revert function. So we have to use if and revert function like this. Underscore I is greater than 10, and then open up the curly brace and then revert. In this condition, we're going to calling up the global variable such as msg.sender and then underscore I as a variable, and then in this parenthesis in the state variable we are going to fill it up with this value. We're going to write with address, color, and then uint underscore I. So we got some difficulty in here. Looks like we got some problem. Let's see. Error. Oh, we forgot about the name of this revert. Let's just name it with my error, because we're going to calling up this variable to this as the revert in the custom error.